Hey, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Nuke, back with another video today, something a little different, something you guys have been requesting for, I don't know, at least a year now. PC tutorials, putting in hardware, testing them, benchmarking them, anything to do with computers. I'm now on it, guys. All of my videos from now on will be focused on computers, technology, things like that. Of course, I'm still going to do gameplay. Still going to play some Call of Duty on the side when I get some free time, but you guys know I love computers, I love working on them, and that's my passion. So I'm going to bring it to YouTube, and hopefully you guys enjoy this. I really hope you do. This is actually a two-part video. This part is showing me upgrading from a Ryzen 5 1600 CPU to a Ryzen 7 3700X. Really nice processor, almost $350 brand new, so it's really nice. And the second part will be out in a few days, and that's me putting liquid coolant onto this bad boy because I realized after having the Wraith cooler on the Ryzen 5, it was okay. But the Ryzen 7, you can't do air coolant. I mean, you can, but it's not good. My idle temps were 45 Celsius to 55 Celsius. That is terrible. Your idle temps should never be more than 40 Celsius. Well, anyway, guys, enough rambling from me. This video, like you guys have seen so far, shows you guys how a little bit of the installation of a CPU. I didn't really want to go in-depth, detailed, unless people request it. If you guys want me to do like a step-by-step tutorial or something like that, let me know. I just wasn't exactly sure how to do this. So, in the future, my videos will get better. Just give me some tips, Let me know what you guys think, honestly, and I would really appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for part 2. See you guys.